why did I choose to work with GMAX Dental Development? I chose GMAX because when I was researching who I wanted to help me with this endeavor of starting this school, they seemed like they had the most knowledge, they had the most to offer, especially with marketing.
Today I want to share my personal experience working with Josh and GMAX. We started working over 2 years ago, and it was related to the dental assisting school. We had an idea of opening the dental assisting school. He helped us throughout the whole process, through every step of the process, from filing our first application, fixing the mistakes of that application, and then also going through the board meetings and then getting that approval. He also gave us the first bunch of the students, and after that we signed a contract for marketing of the school with him.
We partner with GMAX because they are a well-renowned company throughout the United States, and they have a lot of other courses throughout the country, and they are very well respected in the industry of teaching classes for dental assistants to become proficient in their profession.
GMAX, they gave me the most help, they gave me the most reassurance, and everything has just been so simple with them. Getting this partnership and this entrepreneurship up and running. And it's been just so fluid and so very easy with GMAX.
About 7 months ago, we started working on the dental side of the business, which was also great. We went from 150 new patients every month to over 200 new patients every month. Not only that, he's able to give us specific types of patients. For example, we wanted emergency patients or implant patients, Invisalign, or sleep apnea. He was able to deliver a good mix with those patients in it as well.
We decide here from Virginia to partner with them because they are the number one company in the United States to provide hands-on training for dental assistants. And our experience so far has been great. We are ready to receive and enroll new students, and we are open to have visitations in our practice. We have a practice where the students going to have the hands-on experience, and we have another facility that the students will have the lectures as well. So,
like every other dentist, we have always been looking for people to help with reaching out to the communities out there through different kinds of marketing approach. Like all of you out there, I have tried and tested some, didn't like them, have tried and kept some that I liked some, but there was never an organization or a company, like you want to call it, that had like a comprehensive development plan. We were introduced to GMAX growth development partner through a colleague of mine that I've worked with for several years. She vouched by them, and I was still skeptical. Like every new thing, we are skeptical about it. I was skeptical, but I still went ahead and said, let's give it a chance. And they have been fabulous all throughout the process.
He also helped me hire a new dentist, a specialist for my practice. He was able to put the practice up for sale and explain to me the pricing structure, because that was the first time that I had to do this. Anytime I have a problem or a question regarding the dental business or the dental assisting school, I go to him. I text him, I call him, he's always available. He goes above and beyond to try to help me. If he doesn't know the answer, he'll try to get more information on that and get back to me. Very reliable, very honest, and always available, which is very important for me.
Very, very adjusting, accommodating, and they have a lot of futuristic plans for our office. I think they have customized the whole growth development to our office in such a way that it doesn't feel like they're doing exactly what everyone else out there is doing. So it helps us stand out. And the whole experience working with them so far has been phenomenal. And it's been a short time, but they have helped us achieve a lot in such a short period of time that I would say that hands down, by far, from all my years of experience with the marketing companies and growth development partners, they really stand out.
It's been a pleasure to work with GMAX and with all the representatives and all the staff over there. And we are very happy, excited to start this new chapter for the dental students here in Virginia.
I recommend that you work with Josh if you own a dental practice, or if you own a dental assisting school, or if you're just thinking about opening one. Josh will help you avoid all types of mistakes that you could run into. Really helpful, really knowledgeable guy, and I recommend you work with him.
And I would, recommend them for anybody and everybody out there. And they've just been phenomenal in what they do, and they're really good at it. So we will keep that.